Let's not fear the prisons that they are threatening us with. The prisons are nothing. You can keep me in prison, but I will not give up what right I have to fight. And all Ugandans must be prepared. If we all agree here and we march to the police and say we have come, we are 1,000, arrest us. We are not going even to apply for bail, take us into the prison. What can they do? And if tomorrow another 5,000 come, and the other day 10,000 come, whom will they arrest and where will they arrest us? So let's not be intimidated by prison, by all these things that they are creating. This is our country, and we must fight for it until we are free.
Bavuka musituke tegate tutasesi afe Uganda tuzukuke tegate tutasesi afe.
You cannot tell Ugandans that they tighten their belts when you are opening yours. You know? Say tighten your belts. But they are buying vehicles of billions. You buy a vehicle for $1 billion plus. I hear the one they bought, the other one will cost $3 billion, one vehicle. But you are telling people, tighten your belts. State House is eating $2 billion per day. $2 billion, the home, not the office. And you are telling people, teachers, be patient. You can starve, be patient. We shall think about you slowly. Teachers don't matter. No. Teachers should stand their ground. Civil servants should stand their ground. Local governments should stand their ground. All of us should stand our ground. This is the time to say enough is enough. You who have remained struggling even as we were in prison. Some were arrested yesterday, the other day, carrying food, trying to come and visit us in Ruzira. That is a courageous thing to do. We thank all activists that have been active. We thank all our colleagues who have, in one way or another, supported us.